soldier stands with steady pride, two bright medals in his hand. Stories carry through the land. Hard-won battles left their mark through the fire, through the dark. Now the world begins to see all he gave so others could be free. Honor shines in moments still, where courage rises from the will. Recognition softly lands, placed with care and grateful hands. In the quiet we recall the strength it took to stand at all. Every step he walked alone, now the truth of it is known. Voices gather, hearts align, offering thanks in gentle sign. Service carry without rest, done with purpose, done with zest. Now respected for the flame that he carried through the pain. Honor shines in moments still, where courage rises from the blue. Recognition softly lands, placed with care and grateful hands. In the quiet we recall the strength it took to stand